What's up, guys? It's your girl Samantha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking a little more on Canva Magic Layers. Now, in my previous video where I did a demonstration or I revealed how this feature can be used in Canva, one of my viewers left a comment stating that Canva layers completely disappeared from their home page. Now, if you're having problems locating this tool, this video is for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Canva. And if you've not used Magic Layers before, or if this is your first time finding my channel, Magic Layers can be accessed from Canva's home screen or home page. Now, if you're like my viewer in the previous video who mentioned that this completely disappeared, then there's another way for you to access it. So what I'm going to do is, if you've never used a tool before, we are just going to start with the home page method. And all I'm going to do is just to click Magic Layer, I'm going to select a media. I am going to let's see, I'm going to add this graphic to it. This was generated using AI, and as you can see, Magic Layers is already processing the image. So I'm just going to give this a few seconds until it is done, and then I'm going to share with you essentially what Magic Layers is all about if you've never used the tool before. So as you can see, my graphic has completed in terms of processing, and I am easily able to make changes or move or customize this graphic how I see fit. Now, that is awesome. If you're working in Canva's editor and for some reason you have an image that you want to customize or want to make certain changes to, there is a way for you to access this right within the editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight everything and I'm going to remove it, and then I am going to go for another upload. Now, this is a picture of me. I'm going to add it to the canvas, and I'm going to set image as background. Now, I'm doing this for a reason, because I want you to be able to see certain restrictions or limitations when using this tool, or how this tool can be used. Now, once my image is there, I'm just going to select it and I'm going to go to edit. Typically, the Magic Layers tool can be accessed from the Magic Studio, but as you can see, I am unable to access it this way. Why? This is because this graphic or image is set as the background. Now, if you stumble upon this problem, simply detach the image from the background and then ensure it is selected just the same. Go back to edit, and as you can see, the Magic Layers tool appears. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select it. Now the image is processing. That's it. My image has been processed, and as you can see, I am able to move certain elements within my image. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this solves your problem. If you've encountered any issues, please let me know in the comments. If you'd like me to do more tutorials using Magic Layers and how you can incorporate it within certain projects that you'll have. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.